The Epson PowerLite L210W 3LCD projector is engineered for versatility, making it ideal for both professional environments and home entertainment setups. Its sleek, unobtrusive design allows it to integrate smoothly into classrooms, office spaces, or living rooms without being an eyesore. One of its strongest features is the ceiling-mountable option, giving users the flexibility to position the projector exactly where it's needed for the best viewing experience. This projector employs Epson's 3LCD technology, which guarantees bright, vivid colors and sharp, detailed images. Unlike single-chip projectors, it eliminates the rainbow effect, offering a more natural and enjoyable visual experience. With a native 16:9 aspect ratio, it's perfectly suited for widescreen content. Whether you're watching movies, delivering presentations, or playing video games, the visuals feel cinematic and immersive. Brightness and clarity are standout features of the L210W. It produces enough lumens to perform reliably in spaces with moderate ambient light, making it practical for classrooms, conference rooms, or casual home use. The color reproduction is precise, with rich contrasts and realistic tones, ensuring that every image appears crisp and lifelike. Installing this projector is simple and user-friendly. Its ceiling mount design is paired with keystone correction and lens shift, which allows for perfect alignment on different screen sizes with minimal effort. Connectivity is extensive, including HDMI, VGA, and USB ports, enabling easy connections with laptops, tablets, streaming devices, and more. One of the most appreciated features is the quiet operation. Even when projecting at high brightness levels, the fan noise remains minimal, ensuring that presentations and movie sessions are distraction-free. Additionally, the projector's lamp life is optimized for long-term use, so you won't need to worry about frequent replacements. For professional applications, the L210W includes network management capabilities, allowing multiple projectors to be controlled remotely and scheduled in advance. This is particularly useful for educational institutions and corporate settings where efficiency and organization are priorities. Overall, the Epson PowerLite L210W combines performance, flexibility, and convenience. Its bright visuals, accurate colors, low noise, and extensive connectivity make it a reliable choice for a wide variety of applications. Whether it's for professional presentations, classroom instruction, or a home theater setup, this projector delivers consistent quality and value. For those ready to invest in a projector that balances performance and reliability, check the link in the description. The Epson PowerLite L210W provides crisp, vivid visuals and flexible installation options that meet the needs of professionals and entertainment enthusiasts alike.